getting sunny. I can't wait for the sun to start coming into my room. I love my makeup. I don't want to take it off. Hi. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I just woke up like 6 minutes ago. I'm about to pray and do my morning devotion. So yeah, it's a bright and sunny day. I wish I woke up earlier, but I slept late anyways, and I want to make sure that I get at least 8 hours of sleep. So it's currently past 10 now. I will see you guys when I'm done with my devotion. So I already did my very simple morning routine, which was wake up and pray. And then I think I read 2 chapters of a book I'm currently reading now, but I'll get to reading most part of it later. For now, since it's still bright out, I'm going to film a makeup video. I haven't done one in a very long while, so I'm going to film that, and I might just include some clips here and there. So I got me these from my bathroom, but these will be used in the video. Now this I just use to treat my acne when I have breakouts. This is what I apply. So my hair is basically ready right now, and I'm going to go grab my ring light and then we can start filming.
One, two, I like that. Got me feeling like a kid. Shyer than I can admit. Cover me in lilac, no I like that. So nice, yeah. One look, give me butterflies. You make me blush. It's my favorite color, rosy sweet. You got me lush. I look good, but you look better on me, don't you? Your touch, baby, so soft on my skin like perfume, falling deeper in your kiss, and it's a bliss. Honey candy, chartreuse, I'm getting warmer. Temperature rising, I'm not coming down anytime soon.
So I'll see you guys when I'm done filming my makeup video.
Anytime soon, lush. Yeah, you're making me hush.
I know be you, but if you ask them know.
Hi. Now that I'm done filming my makeup video, it took me about 1 hour 30 minutes ish. So I'm going to go and shower. So I'm taking my makeup off right now. I don't keep my makeup on for very long. That's why I always film before I shower so I can clean my face properly. Anyways, I don't have much else to do for today. I'm going to sweep up my room quickly because there's a lot of like dirt and makeup stain, so that's what I'm going to do now. And this makeup look, I was going for a no makeup kind of look. That's what I had in mind going into filming, but then from first application, which you saw in the clips I included earlier, I could already tell that the makeup did not want to be that, and I just went with how I felt, and this is how it came out. Now I'm going to start by putting away my ring light. I've already put my makeup away, and whatever is still lying around, I'm going to put that away and then clean my room, and we can get ready for what's left of the day. I don't really have much planned for the day, but we're going to see what I can do. So see you guys in a bit.
Who's to know what happens when the world ends? At least this is an okay bar for running into you. It's an awful house, and I wanted to get you out. I'm working on a plan right now to come through. I've waited for a lifetime for you to calm down.
Pull me closer in the backseat of your Rover that I know you can't afford. Bite that tattoo on your shoulder. Stay. It's easy if you want it free.
So while I was sweeping up, I got one of the parcels that I was expecting, and I'm just going to unbox it now. And when the rest come, I'm going to do that whenever I'm filming another video, or if they come early enough today, then I might film it later in the day, because I know what's in here already and I need them. Well, I need my face wash. I run out of face wash, so yeah. This is receipt. I got my acid treatment from Inky List. Then I've got my salicylic acid cleanser. So I got 2 samples. I got a lipstick sample and a perfume sample. And I love perfume samples because I get to try out a lot of perfumes. That's why I tried out the Floral Street tester, and I absolutely love this perfume. I only use it when I'm going out, like out, not for work or day use. I use it for work sometimes, but not all the time. I love this perfume a lot, but it can be very overpowering, so I think 2 pumps is enough. It goes a long way. This is my day-to-day hyaluronic acid I use. I've run out of this, so I got this, and I got a Sephora brow pencil because I need new brow pencils. I've been using my current brow pencil for 2 years, 3 years plus, and I'm sure it's expired, so I need new ones, and I'm just trying this one out first. And then finally I got Rare Beauty lip stain. Is it lip gloss? Lip oil. Yeah, lip oil in the shade Honesty. Yeah, that's all. I'm just going to dump them here. Oh, the packaging is nice. Yeah. I don't know what I was expecting with the smell, but it doesn't smell like what I expected it to smell like. I don't know what I was expecting it to smell like though. I'm going to wipe off my current lipstick and just try this on. Oh, it's quite... I don't have any mirror here, so this... This is in the shade Honesty, and honestly, no pun intended, but honestly, it's not coming up as anything on my lips. I thought it was going to be a bit more pigmented, but it's basically just tinted gloss. Now I like the feel of it, but it's very soft, very soft. It makes my lip feel very, very, very soft, but I don't know what I was expecting. Maybe because I'm so used to... I was expecting the Fenty Beauty lip gloss, that kind of texture. Yeah, something like that, but it's a lip oil. It's my first time actually trying a lip oil, and I like it. It's not bad. I really, really like it, and it suits my makeup too. I love my makeup. I don't want to take it off. But I have to. I'm hungry. I need to eat. I need to shower. I need to eat. It's starting to rain outside. I can literally hear it from my windows. Usually I don't know when it's raining, but I can hear it because I think this rain is very heavy. So since I'm still new to the whole vlogging thing, I just jotted down like what I wanted my vlog structure to be like, specific clips that I was going to film, and I'm just going to see if I could do that. So I did tidy, I did read, I did clean my makeup, and for my to-do list for today, I'm just going to tick it off. Film a day in my life vlog. I did this, currently filming that, and also film a makeup video. I did that. So what's the only thing that's remaining for me to do on my to-do list for today, which I'm not going to include in the vlog, is workout. I don't want anyone to see me struggling. But yeah, this is how I spent my day. I'm really happy that I can do this and I can create at my own pace while working. It makes me feel a sense of like accomplishment, because I have something on my own and not just working my normal 9-to-5 job. I don't have a 9-to-5 job per se. I mean, you could call it a 9-to-5, but I usually don't work 9-to-5. Anyways, if you made it to the end of this video, please make sure to like, comment, share to your friends, your frenemies, your family, to everyone that you know, and I'll see you in my next video.
You know they told you trying to score like it's fever. She lives a double life, puts on a show. What's under the subtle smile, we'll never know. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features.